Hey guys, I'm Seth Dungca, teacher slash actor slash model slash millennial slash weeb, but basically just me. And I'm here to review an item from McJim Classic Leather. Alright, well, it's a very light bag. That's nice. Let's open it up. It's cute. It's cute box. Look at it. It's nice. It's like really orange. I like the color orange. It speaks about class. It speaks about being proper. I'm a man. Things like that. Maybe that's why it's called McJim. Anyway, flipping it over, they're more sleek and more colorful side. Less colorful side, but you know, still cute. Still very minimalistic. Still very nice. Now let's open it. I wonder what's inside because it's really small. Maybe it's in a. Alright, wait. This is a money clip. Money clips are very useful when you have to go somewhere, but you don't necessarily have to bring a bag, but you still need to bring money, and you still need to bring important things, but you don't want it to be bulky so that you look like you have a tumor growing out of your thigh or your ass, you know, right? So anyway, on the front side, you can see that there's a little purse for coins. You know, it's very nice, because in the Philippines, a lot of us, we commute, especially if you have to commute really far. So it's easy to get your coins from here. It's very nice. You can just give it to whoever needs it or use it to pay. But the specialty of the money clip comes when you open it. When you open it up, it's very light, it's very thin, it's very compact. And there, that's why it's called a money clip. Because there's a clip right here. You basically put your bills, like you straighten it out here, and then you clip it there. So once you close it, it just automatically folds in the middle. So it's basically like a smaller wallet, or you know how chefs call something deconstructed because they take all the ingredients and rearrange it? Yeah, I think you could call it a deconstructed wallet, like a deconstructed version of a wallet, because it basically has everything that you need in it. It has a place where you can put your bills, and it has about 4 slots for your cards, which by the way, is still very nice inside. They didn't skip out on designing this. They thought of everything. Yeah, oh, it's also very nice leather, like feeling it and then feeling it again, I guess, and then that leather smell that you just know it's real and it's very nice and it makes you look cool, things like that. Yeah, but that's what a money clip is for, and it's very nice. It has 4 compartments, so you could put a debit card, your ID, your driver's license, and basically anything else, maybe a picture of someone you love, but you won't be able to see it. It's still there. And then there, the clip, I guess, judging by how much it stretches, I think you could fit a decent amount in there without it still being too bulky. So if imagine I put it maybe in my pocket, it would just slide right in. If I were wearing a very fancy suit, yeah, I could put it in the inside pockets and it wouldn't bulk. That's the nice part about this. And again, look at that. The logo is engraved. It's not stamped. It's not just a sticker. It screams class. Now that I'm a professional, I go to meetings, I go to interviews, I talk with parents since I'm a teacher, I go to hosting events, I go to modeling things. Now whenever I need to go somewhere that I don't need to bring a bag and I don't want to look bulgy, I can just bring this. So yeah, that's nice. So that was the McJim Classic Leather Money Clip. It was nice talking to all of you. Thank you for listening to me. And this has been Seth Dungca. I'll see you next time.